And now making her way to the cage, Pooja Tomar.
Opponent makes the entrance right now. Full of energy right there. You can see that is Pooja Cyclone Tomar. All right, coming up next, here we go. Oh! Just exchanges with high kicks. When someone kicks somebody, if you can hear the noise, you have to take him down. She took her down. That spot looks pretty tight. Oh, wow, what a reversal.
Got rid of it. Here we go again.
2 and 45. Oh! Oh! That looks tight.
You are already exhausted
Because
from the fear.
exactly each other because they're both. Oh! Oh! Kicks to the body. Oh!
Wait for it. And she's very well rounded, right? She
Yeah.
tries to get out of it, and she was able to get out of some points.
Yeah, you're right now. Both ladies are measuring up. Oh! Oh!
Doesn't like to get taken down.
We got kicks happening now. Oh, they're down. We've got a minute and 37 left here in round number 2. We've got a grappling match going right now. Reversal. Well, let's see what happens here. The Cobra Queen. Oh, crazy exchange in there. As it starts building up, it really affects your performance. Round 3, do you think we're going to see a knockout or a decision?
I want to see you knock out. I
Yeah?
love knockouts.
Here.
I think I wear size 44 shirts. I'm going to wear size 48 now.
Pooja is 27.
Still both very young.
Very.
Oh!
Oh!
Takes her down. Some hammer fist in their ground and pound game.
Very aggressive.
Would you ever want to
Pooja's
be a
on top.
professional fighter?
Huh?
Would you ever want to be a professional fighter?
And if nothing happens, then we're going to go to the judges. Her stamina just went down. So in the third round, I believe and I saw that Pooja was a bit more dominant in the third round.
Yeah, exactly.
So what are your thoughts?
Well, first of all, I really enjoyed the bout. I think they're well matched. Hats off to the matchmaker of MFN.
We've got Pooja Tomar, Pooja the Cyclone Tomar, taking on Tenzing Pema, who's making her MFN debut here at Matrix Fight Night 9.
Make some noise for the Cyclone, Pooja Tomar! There you go,
Tomar
ladies
एक
and
तूफान है, राहुल,
gentlemen!
तूफान!
Pooja Tomar!
ये तूफान!
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. She weighed in at 48 kilograms, representing Delhi. Make some noise for Pooja Cyclone Tomar! And her opponent fighting out the red corner, representing Manipur, Tenzin Pema.
Back to your corner.
क्राउड में हमें पूजा के लिए चेयर सुनाई दे रहा है
Already
और
attacking
बढ़िया
that
लेग
big
किक,
leg.
हेड किक, क्या बात है!
Oh, she's out. She's out.
My goodness!
She's
Ladies
out.
and gentlemen, this is the Cyclone. Pooja Tomar has
Wow.
unleashed bad weather and she has scored one of the fastest knockout here at Matrix Fight Night 9. ये क्या हो गया? किसी ने नहीं सोचा था इस तरीके का खात्मा होगा टेंजिन का पूजा के हाथों. 14 सेकंड में खेल खत्म. तोमर, ये देखिए रिप्ले. यहाँ से शुरुआत हुई, एक लात लगी लेग पे, उसके बाद मुक्के, दूसरी हेड पे मुक्के, नॉन स्टॉप मुक्के, और यहाँ पे टेंजिन ने लड़ाई छोड़ दी थी. वो लड़ना नहीं चाहती थी. रेफरी रंजीत बीच में आए और उन्होंने फाइट को रोका. ये देखिए टेंजिन पलट गई थी और उसके बाद सीधा नीचे गई. पूजा एक तूफान है.
Make some noise for Pooja Tomar!
Well, for sure, Pooja Tomar has been undefeated at Matrix Fight Night, and she flaunts a 6-4 in her entire MMA career, and tonight she's here to make history and grab that scintillating, that beautiful MFN title belt. The first bout of the evening, we've got Pooja Tomar, Pooja the Cyclone Tomar in the blue corner, taking on Killer B.
दोनों ही फाइटर्स अपना समय लेते हुए धीमी शुरुआत कर रही हैं। उन्हें पता है ये बहुत बड़ी फाइट है, जो ये फाइट जीतेगा वो स्ट्रॉवेट का चैंपियन बनेगा।
You know, this is all about bad intentions, and let's see whose intentions are absolutely on point, and let's see who walks home with that beautiful belt.
Pooja coming from that wushu background, going to use that lead leg.
Whoa.
Oh, nice exchange there.
इनसाइड लेग किक लगाई वहां बी न्यूगन ने,
Oh, she throws another one.
और इसे
Inside
कहते
leg
हैं ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से। क्या बात है।
kick. John, look at the power that
She's going to need to continue with that jab right there.
nice kick. Well, for this fight, Pooja did her camp at Bali. She was training at Soma MMA under Coach Mike. Killer B in the red corner, in the yellow shorts. She represents Extreme Couture. That's Randy Couture's gym, by the way.
You guys can see right here, it's definitely a battle of footwork. B is going to continue to circle to the outside. Nice exchange here.
कड़क मुक्के लगाए पूजा ने।
Oh, nice kick. That's some wushu
That is
at
definitely
display.
wushu. Nice side kick to the face there.
बहुत अच्छी कॉम्बिनेशंस हमें पूजा की तरफ से अब देखने को मिल रही हैं। धीरे धीरे पूजा अपने हाथ पैर को लूज छोड़ रही हैं।
Well, that's a natural style. You know, what she does is she stands in a stance and moves backward and then throws in a couple of shots in combinations. Ah, nice.
Straight left hand, right down the middle, connecting.
बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही हैं
Nice.
पूजा यहाँ पे। देखिए सीधे पंचेस लगाए उन्होंने यहाँ भी, और जैसे कि आप बोल रहे थे जॉन कि हम पूजा को एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि बहुत एक्सप्लोसिवली फाइट करेंगी, बट यहाँ उन्होंने अपनी रणनीति थोड़ी सी बदल ली है। एक चैंपियन के तरीके से फाइट कर रही हैं। उन्हें पता है 5 राउंड जाएगी ये फाइट, तो धीमी फाइट कर रही हैं।
पूजा ने गेम स्टडी की है बी ग्वेन की, और उनको पता है कि बी ग्वेन अंदर घुस के शी हैज द एबिलिटी टू मेक इट डर्टी.
फिलहाल पूजा ने डेफिनेटली 20 से ज़्यादा स्ट्राइक्स करी हैं यहाँ पे। अच्छी कॉम्बिनेशंस मार रही हैं, इनसाइड किक्स, आउटसाइड किक्स, पंचेस, और ये देखिए इनसाइड किक के साथ हुक लगाया।
You can already see the damage. Oh, nice. Nice check right hook there, coming from Pooja. It will continue to cause damage over the course of this fight. She certainly needs to start checking him, that's for sure.
All right, guys, less than 30 seconds in round 1 of this historic epic MFN 10 as we go double digit tonight. Nice kick thrown by Pooja here. Oh, she throws another one.
Another beautiful leg kick.
Of course, let's look at the replay here. John, that was the kick.
That was beautiful, absolutely beautiful.
Man, both these ladies are all in. They just want to close the range and charge at each other.
That check right hook right there is going to continue to catch her if she...
और
Pooja
ये
here
एक
utilizing-
चैंपियनशिप फाइट है, तो 5 राउंड होंगे। ये दूसरा राउंड है, इसके बाद भी 3 राउंड और बाकी हैं।
Pooja using that pawing style to create distance, engage. Nice push kick.
Both these ladies are here. They're hungry, and I'm sure this belt means more than anything to them at the moment.
Oh, again, she's hurt. That hurts.
Oh,
She's
Pooja has hurt Killer
She's
B.
hurt.
बहुत
She's hurt
तेजी से
Killer
आगे
B.
बढ़ रही हैं
Straight
पूजा।
going in those
क्या
combinations.
ये फाइट यहाँ खत्म हो जाएगी?
All right, ladies and gentlemen,
man.
we've got the first title holder. We've got Pooja Tomar knocking out Killer B in round number 2, and she's made history here, becoming the first.
We have a protest here going to the GAMAF
We thought, रेफरी डैन आइजैक थॉट कि पूजा ने बी को नॉकआउट कर दिया है और उन्होंने फाइट को रोक दिया, लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू द गैमएफ रीस्टार्ट रूल फाइट को रीस्टार्ट भी किया जा सकता है, मगर वो तभी होता है जब रेफरीज रिव्यू करके बोलें कि फाइट रीस्टार्ट करनी चाहिए। यहाँ पे वो नहीं हुआ।
Man, let's look at the replay. I'm so excited.
चैंपियन इंडियन एमएमए में स्ट्रॉ वेट चैंपियन है
We've
पूजा
got the
तोमर।
first belt holder ever in the Matrix Fight Night history.
Right
Pooja
there. It was
Tomar.
right there. It was
Pooja
that
the
nice
Cyclone
right
Tomar has knocked out Killer B
ये
in
देखिए,
the round
यहाँ
number
पे-
2. Look at this, guys.
यहाँ पे राहुल अंत की शुरुआत हुई।
For your winner by TKO, and now the new MFN Strawweight Champion of the World,
we've got the first ever women's MMA strawweight inaugural champion, Pooja the Cyclone Tomar, flaunting her belt there with her coach. We've got Alan Sir here and also Krishna Shroff.
What a fight, guys.